Shoe Palace checkpoint is up.
Checkpoint is up on Shoe Palace?
Yep. And then shop Nice Kicks too. Check out. Let's do.
I just checked that on Shoe Palace. I'm cooking on Shoe Palace. What the fuck is the deal? What's going on? It's EJ on the check-in. Just want to give you a quick little recap of how the Yeezy Carbon drop went. Definitely off drop for me. Messing around, slept through foot sites and Yeezy Supply. Had Kodai pre-scheduled some tasks for me the night before. Didn't touch a single pair. It happens to the best of us. By the time I got home, I set up some last-minute Shopify tasks with Cyber. Held me down as always. I got 10 pairs with it. Pretty much it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next John.